Namaskara. I have a question. Is the new education policy in Karnataka a problem or a solution? To please the masters in Delhi, the BJP government in Karnataka has decided to implement the new education policy before any other state. They want to make huge changes to the education system in Karnataka without a law, without a discussion, without discussing with the students, teachers, parents or stakeholders. This is not the new education policy, but it is the Nagpur education policy. The most dangerous part of this policy is that it wants to impose Hindi through the back door. The excuse is that they want children to learn 3 languages. But why? Why do you need 3 languages? Are our Kannada and English not enough? That's how they want to impose Hindi. What is the hurry? Student can't go back to school because of the fear of COVID in the 3rd wave. 50% of the teacher posts are vacant. But BJP government want to change the education system. They are not solving any problem. The entire country is still discussing. There is a chaos in the colleges across the Karnataka. They don't know how to implement the new policy. The Nagpur education policy has no vision on implementation. Just tall ideas and big talk. It wants to push online education, but will give computers and internet to the villages. First, let us solve this problem. Some colleges are postponing classes because they first have to adapt to the new Nagpur education policy. This Nagpur education policy won't help our youths get better skills or more jobs. My personal view is that implementation of the NEP should be postponed by at least 1 year. Until then, let us discuss the policy in our assembly with our teachers, with our students, with the parents and all the stakeholders. What do you think? I want to hear from you. I want to hear from the students, teachers. Send me your views on Twitter, Facebook, YouTube and Instagram. I will read all the comments. Jai Hind, Jai Karnataka.